Good morning, guys. I hope you all had a good Christmas. I want to thank all you guys out there for watching us. I want to thank all my suppliers and everyone out there that gives me a hand. I want to thank you all. It's getting to be too many people in the name. I can't, but trust me, I know who you all are, and I want to thank you a lot. I don't know what else to tell you. I hope it was a good Christmas. I hope you made the best of it for what you could. You can't let times like these drag you down. You just got to do what you want to do, and you got to have fun. That's it. You got to do what you're going to do. So that's what's happened this year, I guess, right? So anyway, we're going to take a look. I'll show you what's been going on. There you go. Look at this big beast. Is she coming together or not? We got doors on. We got fenders on. Today we're going to be getting, there's the front piece right there. You guys are actually just seeing what's happening as I'm just opening up and turning all the lights and shit on today. So you're going to be, oh, let me get this light. You're going to be seeing the front, the grill support piece go in. The grill mounts to that. We're going to be getting that on. There we go. So that is what's happening with the 58 Chevy. We went back to the original dark green. And then we're going to go, as you can see on the inside, it's got the nice Indy Ivory white, which we're going to continue on door panels. We're going to be putting that. We still got this covered up, but it's going to wrap around the back window and into the doors. So it's going to look really, really good. Karma Ghia. Karma Ghia. Oh my God, the little Karma Ghia. So the owner brought out the patch panels for all the back here, and we're getting started on that. We'll also come around to the front. We got the patch panel the owner brought out for here, and this patch panel the owner brought out for here. But look at this. You notice this is all missing? Yeah. So we got in here to cut this away, and everything else is gone. Oh, it just never ends with this little car. What it looked like was like this side. Yeah, it just looks like it's got a little undercoating on there, a little shit over the years, and this is what we had. On that other side, you just saw it look like this. So of course you got to take the undercoat and get rid of it to weld metal on, right? We all know that. Well, as you can see, this goes all the way around, and what happened was when we got in there, it was just chunks of metal, spray foam, fiberglass cloth, you name it, everywhere. So now we're left with this big empty hole. And I didn't see anyone making this part, so that's okay. We can make it. That's not a problem. And we're just going to make it because we just got to continue on here. We've got to get this little Karma going. I feel really bad for the owner, but what can you do? The owner, she's a wonderful lady, Sarah, and her husband, and they understand that this is not our fault at OTG. It is what it is. And we're just trying to take our time with it so it doesn't seem too overwhelming for them, and that's what we do. So that's what's going on there. Okay, let's get the hell out of here and see what's going on elsewhere here. Let's see what's going on here. Oh, the Mustang. So, oh yeah, see, I told you guys, you're getting first-hand look this morning. No lights, no nothing. First-hand look. There we go. The Mustang I am working on. Remember, I got this piece of floor in. I did a video on it. Passenger side's all in. The seat riser's still out. But I'm on to the driver's side, putting the panel in there. And I ended up having to take the seat riser out of the driver's side too, because I got in there and guess what? I thought it was good solid metal. I was banging on it, scraping on it, doing everything I could, and it seemed solid. And then all of a sudden I found a hole. It was no bigger than a dime. Started cleaning the hole up. You know where that went. So anyway, but luckily we had this. We had this panel all ready to put in the front, so we took care of that. So I'm going to get that all finished up there today. We'll get that in, all taken care of, which is good. And then we'll come around here. Let me get this opened up. You gotta like these videos when they're first hand, I would think anyway. You get to see what's going on. None of this made up scripted shit like you see on TV. You remember that old Ford pickup that came in here a long time ago? It was just the cab, big old black crew cab. Well, anyway, the box is here now. So it doesn't need much, a little bit of work around the wheel wells, just sanding it, prepping it, working on it, getting ready to paint that up a nice black. And of course there's the tailgate there, all ready to go, which is all primed up. So that's what's happening there. And then, excuse me, underneath the masking paper is the 80 Chev pickup cab, which is all prepped and ready to go for paint. It's just a matter of getting her down there, getting things happening. So that's what's happening out here at OTG. on a Boxing Day. That's right, you heard me say it. On a Boxing Day. What else would I do on a Boxing Day? Go to the malls and shop with a bunch of idiots? No. Oh, did I just insult somebody? Sorry, I stay away from that shit show. Anyway, you guys have a wonderful Christmas. Or, I mean, you had a wonderful Christmas. New Year's is coming. We're going to be here, maybe, plugging away, maybe not. Going to get a couple days in this week and then take the rest of it off. We're not doing too much. We don't need to. What the hell? We got to take some time off here and there. But anyway, I will do some more videos. Thank you so much before New Year's. And hey, Merry Christmas.